Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Priya, and before I start, I want to ask you something. How many of you have ever tried to sit through a really long lecture or training session and found your mind is wandering off? Maybe you started thinking about what to eat for dinner, or maybe you secretly checked your mobile phone. Don't worry, we all have done it. That is exactly where today's topics comes in, which is micro-learning. Now the word may sound big, but the idea is actually very simple. Micro-learning means learning in small, easy bites instead of those long, heavy sessions that make us yawn. Imagine this. Instead of reading a 200-page manual, you just watch a short 5-minute video that explains exactly what you want. That is micro-learning. So why is micro-learning so important today? The truth is that our attention spans are getting shorter. We are surrounded by so many notifications, messages, and distractions that sitting still for an hour feels impossible. Micro-learning fits perfectly into our busy lifestyle because it gives us the knowledge we need without wasting time. It's like fast food, but much healthier fast food for the brain. Let me share some benefits in simple words. First, it saves time. You don't need to block hours, just a few minutes. The second is that it helps you remember better because the content is short and focused. Third is that it's superior and convenient. So you can learn on your phone while traveling, waiting in line, or even during your coffee breaks. Fourth is that it gives you control. You can choose what you want to learn and skip what you don't. And finally, it's more fun. So instead of a boring lecture, you get videos, quizzes, or even little games that keeps you engaged. And now let's make it even more real. Think about when you search YouTube for how to fix something in Excel and a 5-minute tutorial saves you from hours of confusion. That's micro-learning. Or when an app like Duolingo teaches you a few words of Spanish every day in just 10 minutes. That's also micro-learning. Even those daily 1-minute motivational reels you see on Instagram, whether you know it or not, that's a kind of micro-learning too. What makes micro-learning so powerful is that it doesn't overwhelm you. You're not trying to swallow the whole ocean, just sipping a glass of water at a time. And with those small sips every day, over time you can actually master big skills. To wrap it up, micro-learning is not just another buzzword, it's the future of how we learn. It's short, simple, and smart. In today's world, where time and attention are limited, micro-learning proves that even the smallest lessons can create the biggest impact. So the next time you need to learn something new, remember it doesn't have to take hours. Sometimes just 5 minutes a day is all it takes to grow. Thank you and see you in the next video.